anything you want to pay. Cashback's coming back your way.
Hello, my name is Adebayo. I'm from Oshogbo, Osun State. I am an interior decorator.
Hello, my name is Adulabide Rotimi. I'm a factory operative. I'm from Abeokuta, Ogun State.
My name is Blessing and I am a nurse by profession. I am from Ekiti State, but I live in Kebbi.
Hello, my name is Christian from Nsugbe in Anambra State. I'm a student.
My name is Oluwafemi Kende. I'm from Ekiti State.
My name is Tominsi Ekela, a student of Tertiary University, Ijebu-Ode.
I heard about PalmPay from my brother when I had issues with transferring money from my bank.
PalmPay was introduced to me by one of my family members.
I was introduced to PalmPay by a friend May last year.
I got to know PalmPay from a friend of mine. Introduced PalmPay to me, said PalmPay have been of help to him.
My husband actually introduced me to PalmPay, and ever since I've been introduced to PalmPay, I've been enjoying a lot.
What I love about PalmPay is the fact that they give me access to transfer money for free without any charges.
What I love about PalmPay is numerous. Is it about the group discounts whereby you buy your airtime, your subscription at a very, very lesser rate compared to any other place.
There's a lot of savings with PalmPay. Data, TV subscription,
Airtime, data bundles, electricity bill, and it's also used to fund betting accounts.
And I love Palm Point, Gemstones, Referral Bonus, Awoof Money, I love the features.
We have a lot of things on PalmPay to gain.
I can tell you boldly that the app is appealing compared to those apps I've been using. Since I've started using the app, I've uninstalled most of the app I'm using earlier. I find PalmPay to be very attractive, very useful.
I can say, and I have a testimony that with PalmPay, I started my first business.
I want to enjoy friends and family, so also use this app as it is the best app to use.
Yeah, so I enjoy us all to download the app from the Play Stores and the App Store and start transacting.
PalmPay is the winning team and it is what is reigning presently.
I love PalmPay.
I love PalmPay.
I love PalmPay so much.
I so much love PalmPay.
With PalmPay, you earn rewards. PalmPay, yeah, that's PA.